Today's topic will be SMTP. So SMTP setup, today's topic will be. So do you know what is SMTP? SMTP is actually simple mail transfer protocol. It actually it actually ensure your delivery message, and sometime that would be these are our contact form actually. So if your visitor or customer fill the contact form and submit to your email, and that mail goes to spam box, and SMTP will ensure your all mail goes to inbox. So that's the today's topic. And if you want to know more how to set up SMTP, so today's video will be you have to watch full video and comment below this video is really helpful or not. Okay, so and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get started with the video. I actually don't want to waste your time. I actually going to just directly step. So today's video will be SMTP. So let's just get started. First of all, we have to install a plugin that is Fluent SMTP. So just search Fluent, F-L-U-E-N-T, Fluent, and the second one is Fluent SMTP. These are the Fluent form, and this is the SMTP provider actually. And you just click install now button and click active. Once you activate this Fluent SMTP server, and is going to the settings option and hover over settings and click the Fluent SMTP. Here, as you can see, I have already created setup SMTP, and this is my data. And what actually you want to do, just going to settings option, and these are I have already set SMTP. And I know you don't have this option on your interface. You just click this another SMTP connection or something like that. And first you have to select this other SMTP. So I have already set SMTP. I'm just tell you how it's work and how it's set up. I am just clicking this pen icon, and these are the settings, all our settings. And your first interface was this one. You just select this others SMTP and fill all those form and fill all those setups. So first you need email. So which email you should send email to your Gmail or another email would be. So that's the main thing. So here you have to set your email account. So these are the I will set a business email. So how to create business email? I'm just going to my cPanel account and going to email account, and these are the email account create is pretty much simple. And you just click this create account, and here your email name W3 Army, and set your password. Password will be anything. I'm just here the most important aspect is you just copy your email account and password, whatever you want to actually save. I'm just pasting over here. This is my password, and these are the email. And then the step 2 is for creating email account. Just going to edit settings, and how many space you wish to set as your particular email. So I would like to set up only 50 MB and just create. Pretty much simple, right? And these are the email, and these are the password. Okay, so these are the email and these are the password. I'm just save it whatever actually. And right now, once you create the email, just going to check email option. Okay, so I have created for this one. This is the email actually. These are the email actually, and click this check email. Whatever any email right now you have created that email, you can do. You can go to that email inbox. Whatever, don't worry. And I'm just open the email box. And once you create your email, you need to wait few minutes, and for this particular email, for particular message. Once you create each and every email, when you create, you will get this message. Okay, this message is actually the configuration settings. And first, if I go to this, now the first step is connection provider. You just select the connection provider, which connection provider you would like to use. I will use others SMTP. This is the first step gone. The second step is sender settings. Which data you should paste over here. These are your email account. Where is your email account? This is your email account. Where these are the mail admin. I have used this one actually. I will open this one, and these are the configuration mail. So here you are the outgoing server. You just focus the outgoing server mail. Just copy this mail at your domain.com and paste it over here. These are the admin. Okay, here you have to copy your email account would be, I'm sorry about that, these are the email, and here you are paste any name. Okay, any name, whatever actually you wish. I'm just select type or any type. So I'm just select type. Okay, and if you don't have select this uncheck option, just click this for sender name. Okay, and now SMTP host. These are the host comes from this outgoing server. So these are the hosts, and just copy this one and paste it over here. And these are the SMTP port. I know you already guessed the SMTP port. These are the SMTP port, and just copy and paste it over here. And 4565, these are the 465, and select the SSL option, and here are your email ID and password. So just copy this password and paste it over here, and email is right now we have created this one or this one. Just copy this email address and paste it over here. Just click save connection. It will automatically configure to your server. Okay, now as you can see, these are the provider connection, and now the third step is these are the delete log. You just select after 7 days and click save change. All you have to all done actually. And now your all mail goes to your email, your inbox account. Okay, so sometimes that would be that sometime the Yahoo mail doesn't support inbox, and I don't know. I have recently I faced the issue for Yahoo message, but Gmail I got message in my inbox message. Okay, so I hope you guys are love the video. If you think these videos are very helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment below. Thank you very much.